Good morning everyone. Class, today we are going to start with new topic, that is HTML list. In this creating a list, like if you want to create a list of the students, a list of the cricketer, list of the things that you are using. So for that, in HTML also there is a facility to create it. Now lists should be well structured, accessible, easy to maintain document. They provide individualized element which you can hook on uh, CSS styles, also CSS style that we are going to study later on. So this is now class, the first type of list that we have is the ordered list. Ordered list is specially you can say in MS Word we call it a numbered type. So in this there are two attributes that we call a start and the type. Start means from where to start, and type means what are their types. For example, if I can have my list as 1 2 3 also, ABC also, I can have capital A, capital B, capital C, I can have first, second, third. So this all type we generally use, so these are also available in HTML. Now class, I have selected one question for you. You can see that this is the first part, HTML, head, body, you all know. After that OL is written. OL start with 4. Now there is no type given, so you can see that list 6, li6, next page, this is a little bit blur, but li7, li8, li is the attribute, li is the tag used for creating a list. Now we talk about how it is coming. It is coming as 4 5 6 because we have given from 4. By default they are taking as 1 2 3 4, so that is the type 1 2 3 4. And from where to start, it is to be start from 4 5 6, as we have given here. You can see that we have given here start is equals to 4. So that's the thing. Now class, let's move further. Now next we have created a list. There is no start given here. You can see that only the type is given, other attribute is not given. So it will come as first, second and third. First Lotus Temple, second Taj Mahal, and third is the India Gate. You can see the output, it is coming like this. But in this also we can give from where to start. Suppose I want to start from third, then I will write start 3. So 3 means third, fourth and fifth, it will come like this. Now plus using type attribute, under the type we have various. We can start with 1 2 3 4 ABCD, first second third, capital small, all is can be used here. Now class, moving further, using both start and type attribute they have made. So it should start from 4, and it should be in start we will give always a number, as they have given the number. We will not give 4 like this, we will not give this here, we will have to give this 4 only. And next is type I, as they have given. After that they have created one heading also, that is just a program. So that's why basically the things that we are going to learn is a list. So class, how it happens, how it results, you can see that 4 5 6 7 it is come 4 5 and 6 it is coming instead of first, second and third. Why? Because we have given start is equals to 4. All this you have to do practically. In junior class maybe you have done this, but still you need to practice this properly. Next is your unordered list. Unordered list is something like a bullets we can give. So bullets, like here we have three type of bullet. One is a disk, this disk is filled from inside, and one is the circle and one is the square. Three type is available in HTML. Other also you can give, that is other also you can give, but that you can give in CSS, cascade style sheet, not here. Cascade style sheet is also HTML part, but it use certain features, so that you will learn later on. Now class, you can see that circle and square, none is also a type. There will be a no bullet in the front. So class, how to do this? Now see this, from here actually our program starts. From here program start, here they have given ul type is equals to circle corruption, so circle will come and corruption will come. Square, unemployment, they have made three different lists, 1 2 and the 3. So you have to see this, because all three cannot be given in a single, so that's why they have made different. So you can see that this is circle, this is a square, and this is a disk. In circle and disk there is a difference. In circle there is nothing in between, you can see it is hollow type, and square is a solid type. The square and the disk is the solid type. means filled from inside. It is filled from inside. Now moving to the next class. Next is your definition list. Definition list, like I want to create a definition like you see here. This is the definition. These are the topic. Expedite and expedition is the topic, and this is the definition. This is the definition. So this we call a DT, definition term, and this we call a definition, data definition. This is data term, data definition. This is the full form also to learn. Now see class how they have used here. Definition list term. First of all we have to write what? DL, and we have to close at the last DL. In between there are two DT, DT and DD. So class, in this is your DT, data definition term. This is again your DT, data definition term, and this is data definition. This is data definition. So class, this you have to see, and you can see the output how it is coming. For heading also made S2, and after that this is the font given for which this, for these font is given Times New Roman. Finally it will come as this result. Now class, nested means list inside list. Also you can create, as they have created one list. You can see the output first how they have created. This is your UL list, and inside that OL list, two OL list is made. So how to create this? For this is a program. So program starts from here. So class, you type this program. I will send you the picture of it, and you try and do. You will see this result will come. In this I think one thing is missing. UL is missing. I will check out. Now class, last topic for the day is font. Font is very important class to learn color, size and face when we want to give to particular part of our HTML page. For that we use font. This you have done previously also, but still learn it. Color, COLOR, color name you can give, font size you can give, and font style you can give. Style is Times New Roman, Monotype Cursiva, Comic Sans MS, Arial. All these are the fonts. So class, for that one program is made for you. This is the program. You type it and see the result of it. This should be the result. So class, that's all for the day.